Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic ZWCAD tutorial how to add plot style. So if you want to add plot style in a ZWCAD, you can type OP, press enter, it will show for the option dialog box, and then you can go to plot tab, click on add or edit plot style table. Now it will show for the folder plot style. Now you can copy your plot style into this folder. As example, I will copy this plot style. You can copy and then paste in this folder. If you done, you can close and then you can click OK. Now, to view the new plot style, you can type plot, press enter, and then you can go into plot style tables. In here, you will see the new plot style in your ZWCAD. Okay, that's it for basic ZWCAD tutorial, how to add plot style. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.